Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Pavel Laskov and usually we talk about stocks long term. However, this video is going to be dedicated for cryptocurrencies and holding them long term and how we can make money by just owning them. Before we continue with the video, I'm not a financial advisor and you should not buy anything because I said so. Any decisions that you make should be based only on your own research. A couple of weeks ago, me and my team made video about Ripple and the lawsuit against them. I did open small position and now, after a couple of months, the results are getting in our favor. The SEC understood that Ripple and its shareholders won't back down, so they finally proposed an agreement between them. This means that XRP will finally be able to get back to normal. After the news blew up, the price of single XRP went to $1.50, which is the new all-time high since 2018. By the time the video is made, now the XRP price is $1.80. And keep in mind that this is only the rumor, only in news, nothing has been done official, and yet the price is skyrocketing. Would you be able to imagine what would happen if Ripple wins the case and everything is done officially? As I said in my previous video, as I believe so, Ripple will win the case and would make a lot of people stupid rich. You probably are wondering, is it too late to invest in Ripple? I would say no. Currently the price is about $1.80, $1.90. The team of Ripple is currently working on multiple goals and they're developing the company day after day. So if you're not familiar what Ripple does, I suggest you to go and do a big research of the company. Simply said, Ripple does cross-border payments with close to zero taxes. Transfers could be for billions of dollars and multiple tranches, and they'll be sent for less than 4 seconds. Since the 4th of February this year, they got SOC 2 certified, which is one of the highest possible safety standards. Also, the United Emirates partner up with Ripple so they can use their cross-border payments. This way they claim that they will create a bridge between them and India so the United Emirates can help the economics of India. Ripple has over 50 banks signed for them and counting. Many more big goals up ahead and many more big players joining them to the table. We can compare Ethereum's and Ripple's work and guess who is going to win. Ripple is even more environmentally friendly because they're using much less electricity. So do you still think it is too late to invest in Ripple? Some of the best analytics are predicting prices from $10,000 to $35,000 per coin. It's not necessary to make only long-term stock investments. You can also invest long-term in cryptocurrencies depending on what their goals are and what is their contribution to society, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. And I would say Ripple is a pretty good competitor as well. So my answer is no, it is not too late to invest in Ripple. The next thing on the list that I would like to discuss is a little bit of risky investment that I have made. But still I like the idea and I'm proud that just for 1 week I made 3 times what I have invested. I'm saying risky because I'm not that familiar with the product as much as I like to. However, the indicators are good and I still believe in it. There is a brand new coin on the market which is not yet listed on the big brokerages. However, it is planned to be listed on Binance by September, which means that you can still invest in it very little and in a couple of years get very rich. The name of the token is SafeMoon, and on the principle of Dogecoin and a couple of other coins, whenever someone sells tokens, it helps 10% of the total coins sold. 5% of those 10% goes to the platform and they're locked. And the other percent of the coins are redistributed to the shareholders as a form of interest for holding. I invested a couple of days ago and now I have more than 3 million coins redistributed back to me. When I bought SafeMoon, the price was 0.6020 and for a couple of days the price blew up to 0.50 Currently, SafeMoon have been listed to a couple of small brokerages. However, as I mentioned earlier, the big news is that the coin is going to be listed on Binance by September. This would make the price skyrocket. I consider this as a long-term investment and I would probably hold for a very long time period. Before investing, you should think of strategy when you withdraw some of the amounts and leave the rest for further increases. And also leave some amount to make your passive income by receiving someone else's sales. And also consider amount that you can afford to lose. This is going to be all for today. I'll leave a referral link in the description down below for my Binance, so if you register you can get 15% referrals. And also I'll leave in the description the official site of SafeMoon where you can get SafeMoon. And remember, do your own research before investing. We hope that this video was helpful to you. You can leave a like and subscribe for our channel to show your appreciation. Thank you and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.